At SlyMedia Productions, we offer live streaming services to companies willing to reach a worldwide audience. We bring you live studio interactive talk shows and interviews.
But as we close, I've also seen or read in the newspaper that there are some people who are leaving your party. Why?
No one recognizes the narrator who they will not recognize, SADC they will not recognize the narrator who, and don't even dare talk about it because it is on you.
We always last longer because we are revolutionaries, we are guerrillas. And today we have proved that we last longer. These neophytes who were using a marriage certificate of a married woman and a senior old man to try to take power.
And depending again on the audience you're talking to, probably it's the Politburo. You vehemently deny before the Politburo that you didn't eat ice cream and you were never poisoned.
SlyMedia TV. SlyMedia TV.
You go again to Central Committee, people are talking about the issue, that issue, the same issue. But someone was poisoned, probably it's the First Lady who did that, she's the culprit. And you say, let me set the record straight. I was not poisoned. You say, depending on the audience, you will be addressing. You go to a memorial service somewhere, I suppose it's a memorial service. Kuno nyarazanwa. And it, memorial service, kuno nyarazanwa, vanenge vadi, so depending on the audience, where you're seeking sympathy, and you say, like a poison. Give me a shadow. So if you say like a poison, so be careful, youngsters. Don't play this game. It's a dangerous game. And it's not just for, it's not meant to be played by the youth, but only those who are in the position of vice presidents. So they are the only ones who are allowed to play that game. So thank you. Those orders will take. Okay. Let me just read out to the youth what my son sent me when I was driving to this place. And I thought, oh my God, it resonates well with the audience I'm going to be talking to tonight. These are some verses from Proverbs 4, from verse 8. Listen, my son, to your father's instruction, and do not forsake your mother's teaching. If you go Sinamai, you are here because the mind is here. Verse 9 says, actually I said, listen, my son, to your father's instruction. And do not forsake your mother's teaching. They are a garland to grace your head and a chain to adorn your neck. Hanzi ukateerera ma-instructions ababa vako namai vako ndo chipfeko chikuru chaunofamba wakapfeka chinozoita kuti uve munhu asingafambi achinyepa kuti ndakapoezewa. I was beautiful. Verse 10 goes on to say, my son, if sinful men entice you, do not give in to them. If they say, come along with us, let's lie in wait for innocent blood, let's ambush some harmless soul, let's swallow them alive like the grave, and whole like those who go down to the pit. We will get all sorts of valuable things and fill our houses with plunder. Cast lots with us, we will all share the loot. My son, do not go along with them. Do not set foot on their paths. For their feet rush into evil, they are swift to shed blood. How useless to spread a net where every bird can see it. How foolish. And we set a net where every bird can see it. Those men lie in wait for their own blood. They ambush only themselves. That's what I want to bring out tonight. So, for me, for Mwese, Antigashiri Kununa Kuchaka, Kanawe Kanewine, Basara Wheat, in Indian wheat, and the one something is as usual, which means the one who take a shop. Sakashiri Kununa Kuchaka, Gatibatrane, Titimuniri, Gatibatrane, Titipume, Atire gave the mentality of the high nation Tema. Is never good for watching us waiting. And even Masmano in politics, you will spread the Limamuti, Monaco is the money, I say Alpha Omega. It's unfair. That is unfair to say that. Tiganuite prepare a copy mechete from Mnangagwa, Uram Mnangagwa, Daita say, I'm the wife of the president who is the Mnangagwa on this earth. Who is he? Diana Gatore Papa. I want to ask, what do I want from him? I'm the wife of Mugabe, the president. But someone else I want to kill Mnangagwa, who did not know the president. He's an educated man I'm proud of. He's an intelligent man I'm proud of. Kwete chiri vanhu, achisi vanhu vane mwoyo yakashata. Asi inini chandakaipira bedzi, munonzi mafira kureva. I speak my mind. Kutaura chokwadi. Handivenge munhu, handinye munhu. Chandisingagoni mundiregerere makuhwa handikoni kutaura makuhwa. Handikoni kuti ndinoudza uchinzwa mese. Kana ivo munhu handikoni. And hatidi kufamba vanhu vachithreatina vanhu kuti kana so and so kana Mnangagwa kasapinda tinouraya nepfuti. Kuuraya chimwe munhu regererei kana muchida kuti uraya nepfuti. We must all agree, kana president one day vachada kusiya basa. We must all agree as the party kuti ndiana achaita take over. Vachitokubatirana gani kuridzirana bazuka kwete. We are being threatened. Usiku nemasikati kuti ninga akasapinda tinokuurayai. We will not bow down to that pressure. Never. Mutatisungaitese mukatiendesa mujere ndokuti kuti muzoita muzotonga. Akatitesese tofanira kutonga nheya. And iyo issue yekuti munhu anofunga kunge ise zvinonzi vaye hono akakabata imwe gani kuruboshwe kuraiti achirwa hono ega. Hatidi kuzvinzwa icho. Pamakaenda kuhono kunorwa mainorwira ini wairwira mudzimai wako maiti kuti tese tive free. We want to be free. This is a free Zimbabwe. We don't want people kuchita intimidate. Tirare president wakati motorora wani mabhurari weziso unaiso. I am not going to do that. Brara ndakavhura maziso angu ese. Nokuti ndoziva kuti ndine maziso angu panza. Who appreciate? Hazvisizo zvinoitwa politics zvanyanoita sei. Vanhu havamanikidzwa vakunyikidzwe. Havamanikidzwa kana vachikuda vachamutaura kuti vanokuda kana vasingakuda havakude. Period. Ndinozenge ndina uyu ndinenge ndina uyu. Tinozoita ku. No one will recognize munanoita ku. Munochiziva. AU they will not recognize. SADC they will not recognize munanoita ku. And don't even dare talk about it because it is on you. Utomboregera kuti makajaira kuti vamugabe munhu ane mwoyo wakanaka. Zvinoitika nekutaurika dai kuri kune dzimwe nyika vanhu vakagara vakatoenda kumajere kare kare. We must be grateful kuti tine mutungamiri ari tolerant and don't take that tolerance too far. But you continue to abuse the president. You tell the president this story today, tomorrow you tell him another story which is contrary. You think he is a fool? Okay, let's wait and stop here.
Tazanganiswa na SlyMedia TV. Tazanganiswa na SlyMedia TV. Vanhu vanofumbuka.